Hi guys, welcome back to the channel. We have here a 4-bedroom, 3-bathroom lovely home in the quiet residential area of Windsor Heights, St. Elizabeth. Attached to the garage area is a studio apartment which can be used as a helper's quarters or a guest accommodation. This lot is well fruited, boasting an array of tropical fruits such as cherry, coconut, mangoes, and a small area of sugarcane cultivation. Windsor Heights is just a stone throw away from Santa Cruz, and attractions such as Jamaica Zoo and Joy Spence Appleton Experience. The land area of this house is 6,423 square feet. Guys, let's take a look at this house, and please watch the entire video for more details at the end. The asking price for this house is Jamaican 18 million or US $116.9 thousand. To purchase or make an offer, please take a look at your screen, or you may visit the description area below for full details. If you like this video, please hit the like button and also share with a friend. Thanks for watching, guys.